realistic, the boy beat themed, first time trying b-roll kind of intro. And let's jump right into the most simple makeup I ever created a video for, because you know what, I'm not here to teach you, I'm here to inspire you, to show you the way I do makeup on myself, what I personally love doing. So to achieve this look, I didn't bother using foundation. I only applied a little bit of concealer to semi cover my under eye dark circles, and I blend it into the skin with my fingers. Honestly, this is what I do every day. I don't really use makeup, especially if I don't have any important meeting, if I only need to go to the supermarket or out for coffee with some close friends. Next thing I did was to use some lipstick for a very realistic looking cheek blush, and again I blended it in with my fingers. Easy peasy. For the lips, I wanted to make them look like they are sunburned, dehydrated. That's why I didn't scrub them before filming, and I don't know if I achieved what I had in my mind. Anyway, uh, some lip liner on the very edges of your lips and some lip balm to smooth those lines a little bit, and voila. Now, my favorite part of all this was to create the freckles. This was my first time doing it and I loved it. Yeah, of course, I never spent so much time faking freckles just so I can be pretty going to the supermarket, but I'm definitely going to include them more often into my makeup looks, maybe even on my clients if they agree. I enjoy using this marker from Essence, even though it's a pain in the ass to work with on the actual brows, because hello, that applicator is too thick and this formula is liquidy, and yeah, I was supposed to throw it. I kept it for no reason, like I usually do with many things, and look at it now, it has a purpose. Moving on to the brows, I suggest you make them as bushy as you can for this look, or leave them as they are since we wanna be super mega extra natural. Really quick and messy, I've applied that shade from the Urban Decay Naked palette, just to have the same color on the eyelids and to create a subtle shadow. Finally, for my eyelashes, I applied one coat from this Sigma mascara. You can use any mascara you have anyway. Let me know if you love the intro, I really worked a lot on it. If you like my approach on this very popular trend, I literally seen everybody doing it. But anyway, I listed down below everything I've used. Yeah, subscribe for more videos like this. Hugs and kisses!